ya. Ayun! Sa kami! Uy, nanit sila! Uy, nanit sila!
On this road in Thailand, a huge snake had tightly coiled itself around a young deer in an attempt to suffocate it. While several cars drove by, oblivious to the cruelty of nature, one decided to come to this deer's rescue and saved it from becoming a tasty meal for the snake. After this man helped a sloth cross the street, the adorable animal even thanked him for his kindness. When a stray dog fell in this canal, a group of kind people came together to demonstrate what we humans can accomplish when we work together.